Hi, I hope you did not miss me so much. So I am back. Yes, I'm back with another interesting video. So I hope you're watching this. I hope you're watching it because this is a knotless braid hairstyle. Yeah, you don't know how to make knotless braid. I think you should watch this particular one. You know how to start and how to finish. I don't know how to make bread. It's not an excuse on this channel. If you're on this channel, you gotta learn. That is why I'm putting it out there that you learn. Okay. Yay! So. And today's video, guess what? It is some color combo. Hey! It's some color combo hairstyle for we ladies. You don't know what color is gonna go with black or what color is gonna go with white. So this is for you. This is the video for you, aka peekaboo hairstyle for our ladies. Cool, black and yellow looks really nice. Yes. So if you're just joining us, this is your first time on this channel, do it to subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we make a new post. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.